Hi, I'm Lesley Logan. Today we are going to do short box flat back here on our spine corrector.
Welcome to OnlinePilatesClasses.com, the most supportive Pilates loving community across the globe. Enjoy new weekly classes from our amazing teachers. Download the OnlinePilatesClasses.com app today.
So no, short box flat back isn't a normal place you do it on a spine corrector, but I like to give people this option, especially if you have a ladder barrel. If you have a ladder barrel, you would do it there. If you have a short box on a reformer, you'd graduate to that. But if you don't, then this is a great place to practice how much the legs have to work in our short box series. So I included on the OnlinePilatesClasses.com barrels flashcards so that you have options that help you understand how your body and the spine shapes work inside your practice, because everything on the barrels, on the chairs, on the Cadillac gets us to our better on our reformer, which gets us better on our mat, right? That's the whole goal of it all. So we'll do our flat back here on our spine corrector today. You will want a pole or bar of some kind, and we'll sit here on top of the apex, and my feet are going to push down and kind of like energetically pull back so my legs are working. You know, in the short box series, a lot of us forget how much the legs have to work. So then arms go up to the sky. I like to put them in front of my ears a little bit, and then I push down into my feet, and I'm just going to look at the tip of my nose as I lean back, and then push down into my feet as I lift up. And again, push down into the feet, lean back, and push down into the feet and lift up. So straight wrists, shoulders working down the back, and you move from your pelvis to the crown of your head. So it's tempting to think my hands move and the rest of the body follows, but if you actually think, okay, I'm going to move from my hips out the crown of my head, out the fingertips, then you actually can use more of your stomach, more of your center, more of your glutes, rather than those hip flexors. Your legs won't get light. And then you can transition into the side to side, or you can go test out what you learned on your short box flat back on your reformer. Thank you so much. If you have any questions about this, feel free to put them in the comments below. We actually answer your questions live on Sundays at 9 a.m. Pacific time all over the world. So 9 Pacific time for us, but you can be all over. And whenever we travel, we will. We aim to always still go live to answer those questions. Unless you're an OPC member, you can ask your questions in our members only community, which you can access on the OnlinePilatesClasses.com app. If you're not an OPC member yet, try us out at OnlinePilatesClasses.com/YouTube.